Hey, sorry, I was just looking at the scavenger hunt leaderboard, and I realized I'm not in first place anymore.
All jokes and tears aside, I'm actually really happy. Do you know why? We've had not one person, not two people, not three people, but 220 people playing the scavenger hunt. That means that 220 people were actively seeking connections, fun, and prizes. And with that being said, I just want to send a special congratulations and thank you to all those who played the scavenger hunt. If you are an introvert like me, the scavenger hunt might have forced you to step outside of your comfort zone, which is a little bit difficult in the beginning, but it ends up being very rewarding at the end. And I bet you can tell that by now. But if you haven't realized how rewarding the scavenger hunt was in terms of making connections and having fun, then let me add the prize element. And maybe, just maybe, you will change your mind. In first place of our first ever scavenger hunt, we have, drummers please, the most engaged player and winner of a full registration to our 2022 conference, Alisha! Congratulations, Alisha, and we can't wait to see you next year. In second place, the winner of one of our extraordinarily informative 2022 pre-conference sessions is Edward! Congratulations, Edward, and we'll see you in St. Louis. Now in third place, the wonderful Lauren. Congratulations, Lauren. As the winner of the third place, Lauren has already chosen among the 12 prizes sponsored by our wonderful exhibitors. Sorry for those who wanted it, but Lauren has chosen EAB's $50 gift card. Now, let's raffle the other prizes. By the way, just a side note, I'm so very sorry if I mispronounce your name. In fourth place, we have Eva. Eva, congratulations. Today you win Purdue Global's backpack. Congratulations. In fifth place, we have Kate. Congratulations, Kate. Let's see what you're gonna get. NACADA's narrative theory and academic advising. Congratulations. In sixth place, Stephanie wins the Transfers Experience Handbook. Congratulations, Stephanie. In seventh place, congratulations, Justine. Let's see what you're gonna win. NRC's free registration to one of their online events. We're gonna send the options to you, Justine. Be on the lookout for it. In eighth place, Casey is going to win Logo Ads gift basket. The basket has so many things. I'm excited for you. In ninth place, Sienna is going to win UNG graduate admissions gift basket. This one is a good one too. In 10th place, Cheryl, congratulations. Let's see what you're gonna win. College Sources $50 gift card. Congratulations. In 11th place, Erin wins UC Online's gift basket. Congratulations. In 12th place, Scott, you're gonna win, let us see, Notice $50 Amazon gift card. Congratulations. In 13th place, Andy, are you ready? Andy, you are gonna win NACAC's free admission to the Anti-Racist Education Institute session. And finally, in 14th place, Rachel, I bet you already know it, but let's check. You win Campus Logic's gift basket. Congratulations. Congratulations to all of you. You truly deserve it. Now, we'll also be emailing you individually so you can connect with the exhibitor who sponsored your prize. That's for two reasons. First, so you can get to know each other. Maybe grab a virtual coffee or something. And then second, so you can send them your address or any other piece of information that they need in order to send the prize to you. Again, congratulations, and we can't wait to see you in St. Louis.